Hi everyone, if you are looking to earn money while balancing your studies, then you are at the right place. This video is about owning your 20s and hustling smart. If you are a college ninja or someone trying to act like a pro, this video is for you. I am Akshil and I am going to share a detailed guide on various ways through which you can make money in your college. So let's dive right in. First way through which you can make money is by doing freelancing. Freelancing is a work where individual offers their service to client on project by project basis. This is the excellent way of making money if you have a particular skill which is in demand. Whether it's content writing, graphic designing or web development, you can offer your service to your client on various platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Build your own portfolio to showcase your best work to determine your capabilities. This platform allows you to set your own rates and you can work according to your own schedule. It makes an ideal option for people who wants to work from home or while traveling. Second way through which you can make money is by taking part in Hackathons and Bugbounty program. Hackathons are events where participants collaborate intensively on software project for a short period, aiming to create a prototype or trying to solve any particular problem. Hackathons offers a various prizes which include cash, tech gadgets and many more valuable items. Now some hackathons are sponsored by the company finding out talent and they can give you exposure and a potential job. Hackathon can help you to connect with professionals and mentor, and if your project is solving any particular problem or it is addressing the market need, then you can turn it into your own startup. You can also take part in bug bounty programs. Bug bounty programs are offered by companies and organizations to reward security researchers for identifying bugs in their application, in their website or in their system. Now, here is how you can make money from bug bounty programs. There are several bug bounty platforms such as HackerOne, BugCrowd, and Connect, which connect security researcher with organization. Bug bounty programs offers you a reward ranges from few $100 to few $1,000. Now, the third way through which you can make money is by building your own startup. Now, if you are in your 20s, then this is the best thing which you can do, because at this stage of your life, you doesn't have to think about anything else. You doesn't have that responsibilities. So, this is the best thing which you can do in your 20s. Now, it doesn't matter that whether your startup gets succeed or fail, but in this process of building startup, you will learn so many things which you can use further down in your career. Now, if you are building your startup, the one thing which you have to keep in mind is that your startup should solve any particular problem. Then only people will pay for it, whether it could be your service or your product. Now, if you have built something which doesn't solve the problem of people or which people doesn't want that product, then you can't expect that people will pay for it. So remember this in your mind, that before building your startup, the one thing which should be clear, that which problem are you solving. Remember this, out of 100 startup, 90 startup fail in the first 1 year. So it's not an easy game to play. It's hard to survive. Fourth way through which you can make money is by creating content. Now, it can be in a form of blog or video like this. By creating content, you are sharing your knowledge with like-minded audience. You should always focus on creating good quality content which add value in your audience life. Content creation can help you to build your own personal brand. Now, there are various ways through which you can make money through content creation. You can make money from AdSense, and if you have a decent followers, then you can also make money from sponsorship. Now, in this, monetization will take time. So stay patient and be consistent. Overnight success is rare, so you should focus on building strong foundation for sustainable growth. Keep improving your content, which makes your content fresh and engaging. Authenticity is superpower, so be genuine and be yourself in the journey of content creation. Fifth way of making money is by doing affiliate marketing. Now, it's obvious that if you are in your college, then most of the people doesn't have their own product to sell. So what you can do is you can start doing affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing in which you are promoting the product or service of someone else's and earning commission on that particular sale which is generated through your unique link. You can join the affiliate programs of Amazon, Shopify and Coursera, and there are many more. Remember this, making money takes time and efforts. So during the initial journey of your career, be motivated and stay focused. Be patient with the result, be consistent and put in the hard work. You will definitely going to earn financial stability in your 20s. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Akshil signing off.